Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a while and there is a good reason for that, but I'm not going to get into it in this video. But it's been a struggle. However, sorry, thought there was a little bit of something on the lens. So in today's video we are deep cleaning and decluttering and organizing, that was a lot of ands, my master bathroom. It is extremely overdue for a good clean. You can see in the back here it's a complete and utter mess. So products I will be using in this video are the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, the Method Bathroom Cleaner, the Earth Toilet Cleaner in lavender, the Method Everyday Shower and Ajax Spray and Wipe, the Foaming Bathroom Cleaner from Method, and some paper towel and some baskets. So this is currently what my bathroom is looking like. There's bits of stuff all over the floor. The lid to my washing basket and just complete and utter chaotic mess. So in here we have not organized anything, absolutely anything, like at all. I just grabbed out boxes and threw it in and have ignored it since. And the drawers, excuse me sir, excuse me, are looking pretty much the same situation. So the first thing I'm gonna do, my head's a little cut off here, but the first thing I'm gonna do is turn on this guy, my Scentsy warmer, then put on some music because I cannot get cleaning or keep motivated without some good music playing in the background. Then the first thing that I'm going to tackle is getting all of the things out from underneath my cupboard, going through them all and organizing them, because this has been on my to-do list for ages and I am so glad that it's done and it's organized and decluttered. It feels so much better because when we moved in I just took everything out of boxes and chucked it in the cupboard to deal with it at a later date, and this was the later date.
You pick up the phone, catching the flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we knew it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I, every crazy summer night. Baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me.
And it is day 2. Yesterday I did not get nearly as much done as I wanted to, because I ended up realizing that I had a very busy afternoon and I had to stop halfway through. So today we are getting this bathroom finished. Let's just get started.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time. Somehow you discovered. Didn't care for one another. You and I. Thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends. In the end, something more than friends.
I told you every single time, don't you worry.